In this video, we'll discuss what to expect when using your GE Appliances cooking product. When using your electric or gas cooking appliance, you may notice certain sounds, elements cycling on and off, and odors coming from your product. When cooking in your oven, you may hear a clicking sound. These sounds are the control relays cycling the bake and broil elements on and off to maintain the oven temperature. Typically, cycling will cause the oven temperature to fluctuate and can vary by model, mode, and set temperature. You may also see the surface elements on your cooktop cycle on and off, or even hear a slight hum. Cracking and popping sounds are also common and are caused by the heating and cooling or expansion and contraction of metal when cooking in the oven or when using a cleaning function. Another sound may be the convection or cooling fans. If your oven has a convection fan, this fan helps to circulate air in the oven and may cycle on and off to help maintain cooking performance and cooking evenness. Some models may also have cooling fans. These are important to help cool down internal components and electronics. They also help to cool down the oven after a cooking or clean cycle has finished. Your appliance may also produce a small amount of smoke or odor during the first few times of use. This is caused by the heating of new parts, insulation materials, or tape residue left on the unit. Setting the oven to a clean mode or high broil can help reduce or eliminate smoke and odor from a new oven. Gas ranges may have a slight odor when first igniting, which will quickly dissipate as the oven operates. This is a normal operation. You may hear a slight sound as the oven is cycling the gas on and off during the operation of the unit. During normal operations, the oven's gas-baked burner will cycle on and off to maintain your oven's set temperature. As it does so, you may hear sounds coming from the unit. If your new unit will be using liquid propane, please ensure that a qualified person has converted the unit to work with LP gas. When using LP, you may notice that the flame tips will be slightly yellow instead of blue. This is normal. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.